Okay, so we're going to be doing a unboxing and a quick little look at the MaxCool Fan. It's a 6-inch clip-on fan that comes with an alternative base. So you can either clip it or you can have it seated on its base. So we're going to open this up, see what we got. Real quick, the reason I bought this fan, I actually bought 3 of them. Never tried them. Went on a whim because it's an awesome setup. In my grow area here, the humidity, because I'm in the basement, can stay down here, and obviously air circulation is a requirement. So I needed something small, something quiet, something I could either clip on or put on its base and move around underneath the plants, depending on the situation. Alright, so inside the box, there's some instructions. And a fan. So, looks like the first thing out is the base. Now this is very lightweight plastic. Very lightweight plastic. So we'll see what the rest of it looks like. The fan itself has some good weight to it. Let's see if I can go ahead and... Here's the clip. Sorry about that. Alright, so the clip weighs more than the base. But I'm guessing with the weight of the fan, this will be fairly secure. I don't really intend on using this too much because most of my project requirements will need a good clip, and this is a pretty stout clip. I mean, pulling it with one hand is pretty tight. That's awesome. That's good. Let's see if we can go ahead and open up this fan. I'll take the plastic off later, but on the back there's the on-off switch. Looks like 2 different speeds, low and high probably, and the base or clip attachment, which just uses a standard nut and like a wing bolt. And you can see on the clip there's holes. This will just sit on in there, put your bolt through, nut it up, and it's no tools required because there's a seated spot for the nut, and it'll be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this plastic on, and we'll fire it up and see how loud it is compared to the rest of the grow room that you're hearing now as the ambient noise. Stand by. Okay, so we're back. I'm in a different room to try and eliminate the background sound so you can hear this fan. I'll go ahead and back this up a little bit. Alright, so here's the fan. It's got the clip on there. It is plugged in, and the cord is probably I'd say about 5 feet long. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on low, which is number 1. I'm going to flip the switch. Here we go. Low is relatively quiet. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over to number 2, which would be the high speed. Alright, so there you have it. High speed is probably 3 times more powerful than low. One drawback, if you're looking at these fans, is there is no oscillation feature. It is a stationary fan. So just keep that in mind. There is no oscillation, means it will not turn on its own. These are stationary only. The fan does put out a good amount of air, so depending on what you're using it for, it may be good enough as is. I'm actually thinking about putting one of these on my nightstand so I can have a personal fan when I get hot and the wife is freezing her butt off. So, just something to think about. Alright. It says it's got the name Genesis on it, but the box says MaxCool. I didn't see Genesis anywhere on the box, but I didn't really look for a brand name. Just functionality. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. On to the next.